Hi there, thanks for choosing my video, and in today's video I'm going to talk about how to log in IQ option and some other login problems in IQ option. So first of all, I would like to inform you, if you do not have any IQ option account, please visit thebinarylogic.com/IQ option to create a free trading account, and you can trade in forex, you can trade in stock, you can trade in ETFs and digital options and many more. Okay, so don't forget to have a free IQ option account just by visiting the link thebinarylogic.com/IQ option. And now if you want to log in your IQ option account, please go to google.com and search with IQ option login, and you will see some links here, or simply you can visit iqoption.com. okay, it doesn't matter if you go to eu.iqoption.com or iqoption.com/en, it's not problem. Just visit IQ option, it will automatically be redirected according to your location. Okay, that's not a problem. And then click login and enter your email and password that you have used to create a free trading account in IQ option. Okay, and after creating accounts, just enter your email and password there and click login, and you will be able to log in. That's it. If you have any other problems, you can click forget password if you want to reset your password. So let's get back to my blog. Here I have written a blog. You can see here I have explained some important reasons IQ option login problems. In most cases, there are several reasons you may not be able to log in their platform. Okay, the reasons are IQ option has blocked your account. So if you do any kind of activity that is suspicious and looks like a spam or something like that, or if you use any kind of spammy techniques to receive more profit, let's say if you use your own affiliate link to create your account, then they have the right to delete your account or they can block you. So make sure that you never ever have done any kind of spammy things to IQ options, because it is one of the most popular broker and they are very strict in their rules and they never allow you to spam. Okay, so make sure you do not have any intention to do any kind of spammy activities with them. So if you enter your email correctly and if you enter your password correctly, and if you cannot log in, and you will see a message like that, something like your account has been blocked or something like that. In that case, you can try to use their contact form to contact them. Okay, contact us. You can use contact us form to contact them, and the manager will let you know why they have blocked your account. Okay, the next thing is you have deleted your account. Yeah, if you delete your account just by going to your profile, and you will not be able to log in your account because you have already deleted your account. So make sure you have never ever deleted your own account unintentionally or intentionally, whatever you say. The next thing is having multiple accounts. Having multiple accounts is strictly prohibited by IQ option because they never allow you to create multiple accounts under a single user identity. A single user can have only one trading account. Okay, so if you create 2 or 3 or 4, then they will block the extra accounts. Okay, and make sure you never have created any previous accounts with your information. And the fourth one is something is wrong with the website server. Sometimes the server runs some maintenance and the server goes down, so maybe you will have any problem, but that is very rare. Okay, that is very rare. I have seen this only one time in the entire life with IQ option. So you have to wait just a couple of hours to get it normal. Okay, so that's nothing to worry about. Actually, it happens with every website, even with Facebook or Instagram or any website. Okay, the next thing is incorrect username and password. So if you provide incorrect email and incorrect password, maybe you will not be able to log in IQ option. So what you have to do in that case, if you remember your email and if you forget your password, you can just simply use forget password to recover your password. Okay, that's very easy. So for now, I'm signing out, and don't forget to visit my website, thebinarylogic.com, your binary options trading company. Here I post a lot of videos, a lot of information about binary options trading, and I never promise to make you millionaire. I just share my information. I just share my experience with you, that you can be sure that you will get some genuine information from my website. That's all. Have a great day. Bye.